here we have the forward lunge, holding the weight in the goblet position. At the bottom of your lunge, you want both of your knees to be at 90 degrees. So barely touching your knee down to the floor. This should be about your bottom position, staying pretty tall. So that weight in front of you is going to keep you upright. And then as you push back off the ground, come back to a standing position. Step forward, push back up. So you can inhale as you step down, and when you push back up, you can exhale. All right, guys, you're all set.